Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the reset now. Unplug any USB power from the TV and plug the Chromecast into its power adapter so it has steady current. Once powered, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network and open the Google Home app. This lets you verify the device and its current state. If you can't access the app, use the physical button on the dongle. Start with a clear connection and correct credentials so the reset can complete cleanly. Now perform the factory reset. If using Google Home, tap the Chromecast, open Settings, select More, then Factory Reset and confirm. This wipes settings and unlinks your account. If you're using the Device button, press and hold about 25 seconds until the LED begins flashing and the TV displays a reset sequence, then release. During this process, the device erases Wi-Fi and account data, which is why you'll need to. Once the reset completes, open Google Home and set up the Chromecast like new. Choose the Wi-Fi network, sign in with your account, and grant casting permissions. Make sure to select the correct 4 GHz or 5 GHz band as needed. Slower bands can improve range. If setup fails, reboot your router, place the Chromecast closer to the router, and try the original power adapter and cable. If problems persist after retries, perform another factory reset or test with a different power source to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.